This is a look at the all-new 2018 Buick Regal Tour X. The Regal Tour X is equipped with StabiliTrak stability control system with traction control, heated side mirrors, and hands-free power liftgate. Some of the safety features include lane keep assist, forward collision alert, rear cross traffic alert, front pedestrian braking, and forward automatic braking. The engine is a 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder with variable valve timing and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The wheels are 18-inch aluminum. The key fob allows for a remote vehicle start. The steering wheel has controls for audio, adaptive cruise control, and the instrument cluster display. The Regal Tour X has the Buick infotainment system with navigation and an 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen with 8-speaker Bose premium sound system and is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let's not forget about the rear vision camera and the rear park assist feature. Not only does the Buick Regal have a sunroof, but it has a panoramic sunroof for full visibility. To see this vehicle and others like it, stop by our showroom on 17M in Middletown or visit us online at HealeyBrothers.com.